Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra device. I think this is one of the best Android devices ever. And now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So normally I love standard themes application, Samsung themes application, because in this application you can find really great free themes, but not in our case, dear viewers, because my favorite best themes are not available on theme store for Galaxy S23 Ultra device. I don't know why, but I can't find my favorite themes in theme store, and to find it, for example, I have found it using link from another application. So for example, you can check it. I love, for example, Black Emerald theme for Samsung Galaxy S20 for Samsung devices, and Water Sky UX. Water Sky UX is a really great theme with biggest icon pack, with great wallpapers. This theme redraws all icons, all standard applications settings, and I really love this theme. But as you can see, this theme is not available for our device because the designer hasn't updated their content to work with the latest version of the Galaxy themes. So unfortunately, we need to look for third-party launchers for our device. And I have created a new tab for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra device with third-party themes, with third-party launchers. And I will show you. So if you have tired of the standard appearance of your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra device, then it's time to change something. So let's go. On the third place in my top is iOS Launcher theme. So just find iOS Launcher on the Play Store. Of course, you can use Launcher iOS 16. It's a really great launcher. You can use Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio. It's really great launcher too. But I really love Launcher iOS 16 from Lutein developer. Because you can install lock screen, you can install control center to make your Samsung device looks like iPhone, real iPhone. So using this application, of course, you can install it. I will not do it now. So you can create your control center like in iPhone. And great. So now just scroll down, open this application, scroll down, click make a default launcher, click OK, find your iOS launcher, and great. So okay, go back. And great. So here you have widgets. Here you have really iOS design, and here you have all iOS icons, iOS stylish icons. And here the best feature of this launcher is you can open the search using swipe from up to down, and it looks and works really great. I think this is the most helpful and useful feature in this launcher, and this launcher looks really great. But this launcher has only third place in my top. So now I will show you the launcher on the second place. On the second place I have the Lawnchair. So as you can see, my Lawnchair has really great icons. I will tell you why. Because this launcher, of course, this launcher repeats standard Android appearance. Standard Android 13 experience. So, but you can install any icon pack for this launcher. So I really love. So I will show you how to find it. So just so firstly you need to make our launcher as default. So open settings, open apps, and find here Lawnchair. Great, open setting, open Play Store. open icon pack, click icon pack, and here you have icon packs. Beacons, really great and minimalistic icon pack, but I really love viral icon pack. So just install it, open, click home, click apply to home, and great. As you can see, this is really great icon pack. It's completely free, and here you have 6,000 icons. So you can check these icons. For example, we have Google icons, apps, games icons. So we have really thousands of icons, and it looks really great. I really love this launcher. This launcher is stable. This launcher is light, and it looks really great. I really love to use this launcher on any devices, but on these devices it works really great. So fine. Then on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. I will tell you why. Because Microsoft is integrated into the Samsung UI One UI system, and you can check it. You can install Microsoft Launcher on any other Android device, and you can install Microsoft Launcher on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra device, and you will see the difference. So just open Play Store, find here Microsoft Launcher, and click install. I'm clicking open, then click set as default, Microsoft Launcher, and great. So firstly, you can ask me what the difference between this Microsoft Launcher and standard Samsung One UI launcher. I will tell you. You have all features from the Microsoft Launcher, but the appearance of this launcher looks like normal Samsung launcher, but it have all functions, all features from the Microsoft Launcher. For example, as you can see here, I have here I have my menu. I can set up it. For example, open up drawer, vertical grid, or alphabetical list. For example, you can set up this like alphabetical list. You can set up everything here. I really love Microsoft Launcher because you can set up really everything here. You can set up dock. You can set up gestures. For example, you can set up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gestures you have to set up. You can set up feed, for example, this glance panel. You can set up widgets here, and it works really great. You can set up news here. You can set up really everything. So, and it looks like normal Samsung launcher, but really better. So I think this is the best launcher for your device. Unfortunately, we can't create the top of the best free themes from Galaxy Store, but maybe later when the designers will create great free themes, we will create this top too. So that's it. Now just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and write in comments which launcher, which theme you really like, you really love, and you use. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.